So this is my 2-cylinder flappy valve Lego vacuum engine. It uses the 2-stud valves instead of the standard 3-stud valves. It also uses the cam and push rod mechanism. It revs pretty high compared to my other 2-cylinder flappy valve engines. I was thinking about putting VTEC on this one, using the Lego engine connecting rods and a standard 2-stud, whatever it's called. And you would get one of these, and you'd sit like this without VTEC, and then you would move it over somehow to the bigger cam, and it would open the valves more like VTEC. That's really all I have to say for it right now. Let's see it run.